Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new battery compatible with your Dyson SV10. You can find these batteries at various retailers or online. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV10 from the charging dock and ensuring it's completely turned off. This will prevent any accidental activation during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 3 Phillips screws that secure the battery cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off the vacuum. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. With the cover removed, you'll see the old battery. Disconnect it by gently pulling out the connector. Make sure to hold the connector and not the wires to avoid any damage. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector. Ensure it's snug and secure. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do it yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This way, you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the new battery is connected, carefully place it back into the compartment. Align it properly to ensure a snug fit. After that, reattach the battery cover, making sure it's seated correctly. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the casing. After everything is securely in place, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it back into the charging dock and let it charge for a few hours. When it's fully charged, turn it on to ensure it's working properly. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us for professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any problems you might face. Lastly, always keep your vacuum clean and well maintained to prolong its lifespan. Regularly check and clean the filters, and ensure there are no blockages in the hoses. If you need assistance with maintenance, remember, we provide a quote before repair so you know exactly what to expect. Changing the battery in your Dyson SV10 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. With a little patience and the right tools, you can have your vacuum running like new in no time. Now that you've completed the battery change, enjoy the enhanced performance of your Dyson vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.